Chef Regina Charbonneau, and welcome back to Regina's Kitchen in Natchez, Mississippi. So Tuesday is my favorite day of the week here because in Regina's Kitchen, on Tuesdays, I cook whatever I feel like cooking. And it's been so much fun because I'm revisiting some ideas from 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 30 years ago, and whatever I feel like cooking. And who doesn't love tacos? You know, that's one of my popular nights. And really, I think it's the heart of what I do on my taco night, which is the way I do my pork tacos. And then I do a salsa verde with corn and shrimp taco. And also my beautiful braised beef rib that we do, that I sous vide for 24 hours. I do the beef rib tacos. So I put 3 on a plate, and then of course people love all the choices that come with it. But I'm gonna share something with you that I do, and I've honestly never seen somebody else do this, but when it comes to food, you can never take full credit. I mean, if it's worth doing, somebody's done it before. So anyway, the way I do my pork butt is I put it in a slow cooker, and I use tajin, which is a wonderful Mexican spice. It's got lime and seasoning. It's fairly salty, so that's all that I need for salt. And then diced chipotles. And when I can find the chipotles in the adobe sauce, I really like those, but for some reason I haven't found them lately in Natchez. And the key is fresh orange. I quarter a fresh orange and put in here. So this is my pork that cooked overnight on low, and you know, it's ready to fall apart. But the key is I use some of this spicy, fatty au jus from this dish to cook my black beans in. When I cook my black beans, I do them in the Instapot, and the Instapot is really great for cooking beans fast and creamy. Pressure cook, 1 hour, normal high. So there you go. Those are my beans that I put the pork drippings in, and 1 hour in the Instapot, and look how creamy and good. When I entertain at home, and I'll share this idea with you, I always love to have a cocktail that is ready and easy to do. And I always serve my guests the first one, and I have it set up where they can do their own the second one around. So there's nothing better with Taco Tuesday and street tacos than a really good classic margarita. You know, we do all kinds here. Gosh, on Taco Tuesdays, we do an amazing one with fresh carrot juice and lime. This is kind of my standard. I do 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of Cointreau, and 1 cup of orange juice. Melt that together, melt the sugar, make a simple syrup. And then I do a shot of that. And then a tequila of choice. I like the Espolòn. Whoops, kind of filling that up. I'll cut back a little bit. And then, of course, the fresh lime. And this is kind of fun to have this set up and let people do their own limes. But a half a lime is like the perfect balance. The crushed ice kind of waters it down just enough. And I like these stemless martini glasses. They're a good look. And salt is optional. Usually I'll have some glasses set up, half with salt, half without. A little stir, and cheers.